All right. All right, all right, all right. I hope you guys can hear me and see me. What's happening, everybody? Paid to drive.
Turn right on Central Avenue.
We are, we're out here, man. We're out here in this blizzard. And I wanted to try and get a video out while I can because, I don't know how long I'm going to be able to stay out here, man. It is really bad. Like, really, really bad. And I am in a Jeep Grand Cherokee at the moment with 4x4, and it's hard to even see in front of me. I mean, my Jeep is hanging in there, thankfully, because as you saw in the thumbnail, it's all raised up and everything. But dude, this is a lot. This is intense. I'm gonna just try and show you what I'm seeing right now. This is what I see as I'm driving. So, needless to say, it's
Turn right on
it's not that good. Whoa, brother! Watch where you're driving that plow. I should have been home sleeping, but instead I'm here creeping. And this is no joke. Definitely the worst snowstorm I've driven in the past year or so, I gotta say. Definitely one of the worst.
In half a mile, turn left on Bronx River Parkway North.
We're gonna see what's happening here. And I really wish YouTube was working with the notifications right now. Hey, the boy with the Subaru over here, he's going through. So I'm assuming the reason why I have no viewers right now is because YouTube's notifications are not working. And that really sucks, because this is good footage. Right here. Oh. Yeah, I guess I can do that. So, to give you an update, I started like at 10:50 this morning. I got a ping for Uber Eats. I did Uber Eats. I did that. Then I got a GrubHub, did that one. Hit the thumbs up button, I greatly appreciate it. Bam. Let's see. Hold on one second. Whew. All right. I guess I'm back here. Oh boy.
Turn left on Bronx River Parkway North.
Thanks a lot, YouTube, for not sending my video out to everybody. Or whatever. This is insane out here, man. It really is. I gotta say. Everyone's driving 5-10 miles an hour, people slipping and sliding all over, the typical snowstorm stuff. What can I say? Trying to get onto the parkway over here, where I'm sure this van in front of me is going to be slipping all over the place. But yeah, if you guys could all hit the thumbs up button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Subscribe, all that good stuff. What's up, Andy? Andy, are you one of my subscribers? Just curious. Andy S. Andy's Mountains.
In 1.2 miles, turn right on Fisher Lane.
Woo. Right now I'm doing 20 miles an hour. It's an improvement. Definitely an improvement, to say the least. Can I even set my cruise control? I don't even know if I can set the cruise control at 20 miles an hour. no. Thank you, Oscar. Oscar, did you get the notification about my live stream, or did you just see the live stream because of my text message? Because I don't think YouTube is sending out my notifications. And also, is Challenger Girl Vlogs here? From the text. So did you get a YouTube notification, Oscar? I'm assuming you didn't. Of course, out of all days that I needed, yep, nope, just the text. That's what I figured. That's what I was afraid of. It's pretty bad here, I gotta say. And the whole purpose of this stream is just so that I could show what the hell I'm dealing with here. You know, and just so if GrubHub or Uber Eats ever decides to terminate my contract, at least they can see that I was the guy who was braving the storm for them. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people might stay home, but I'm helping them get their business moving. I'm devoted. You know what I mean? I got 5 people watching now. All right. All right. All right. All right. If you guys are in the chat room, say hi, say something. Well, never mind. Yeah, they take a while. Joseph Garcia, I got a question. Are you one of my subscribers, or did you just stumble upon this randomly? Joseph Garcia, I'm just curious. Wow, we're almost doing 30 miles an hour. Yeah, Joseph, I don't know if you were able to hear me because I got the heat on over here, but
In 1,000 people. Turn
were you
right.
able, are you one of my subscribers, or did you just stumble upon this like randomly searching?
Turn right on Fisher Lane.
Hey, Challenger Girl Vlogs, did you get the notification for this stream? Did you see it?
In a quarter of a mile. Turn
Or did
right
you
on
go,
North
did you
Broadway.
click on this from my text, Challenger Girl Vlogs? Oh man, you gotta turn the notifications on, Joseph Garcia. You gotta turn the notifications on. That's what it's all about. I'd appreciate it, Joseph. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, I'm just doing this live stream just so you could literally see the conditions of what's going on here, man. Like this is insane. I must be insane for driving out here in this weather. I must be. I sent you a text.
Turn right on North Broadway.
Oh.
Then turn left on Tompkins Avenue.
Switch the station. What's up? If you guys could all hit the thumbs up button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Joseph Garcia. I'm working Uber Eats and GrubHub today. Why I'm doing this? Because I need money. Definitely need money. Joseph Garcia, I know that's not your real name now that I know what the heck's going on. There he is, Tommy's Deli. I'm glad you do. I'm glad you do. All right.
Turn right
So
on
I gotta go
Northwood
pick
Avenue.
up at
Then
this
turn right
deli
on
real
Tompkins
quick.
Avenue.
If you like, I can go live again later on. But for now, I gotta park at this gas station over here. Switch the station, thank you. Switch the station, I have a question. Did you see this video in your subscriptions, or did you get a notification from YouTube saying that I'm live? That's what I'm curious about. That's what I'm curious about. Both. So you did get the notification. All right. Well, everybody, I'm going to go in real quick. Let's see if we can get 40 likes on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see what happens. Just popped up on your phone. All right. Subscribe, turn notifications on. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Links are in the description. And follow me on my daily vlog, the PTD vlogs. Links are in the description as well at the bottom. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Keep hustling, keep bustling. Stay safe if you're out there delivering in this crazy snowstorm. And I'll see you later. Peace out. Keep getting that money, getting that honey.